In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate video on Capcut PC. So basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do. So all you need is just to create project and import your video. After that, just add it on your timeline. Let's work with this video. So as you can see here, now it's just a simple video which is horizontal, but how can we rotate it? Basically we can do it into two ways. So once on this player, on this top central menu, so just click on this icon and then just rotate it whenever we want. But sometimes, you know, this could be not that useful, not that good to use, so we have another option to make it more correctly. So as you can see here, if you'll click on this video on our timeline, the menu in the right top corner will appear, and if you'll go to video and basic, we can see the position and size menu. Sometimes it could be closed, so you can click it, open it by clicking on this toggle list, and here we can see the option which is rotate. So we can try to use this option. So if we'll change the parameter, we will rotate it whenever we want, how do we want. So basically this is the other way how you can rotate your video on Capcut PC. I think this one is more useful because you can do it more clearly or something like this. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I also suggest you to watch my another videos about this program. Goodbye.